Jason Neely, co-founder, partner, pin master, Pica, Rica Barbeque. We're located in St. George, Utah. So we're known for all of our smoked meats, particularly our smoked brisket. It's a 16 to 18 hour process. We also do a barbacoa in-house. We do full spare ribs, pretty crazy sausage program. So all of our house-made sausages we do here. So everything we make in-house. So there's a lot of love that goes into it, but specifically what makes us different, I think, is the hospitality component. And for us, barbecue is about family and about love. When they walk through, they gotta feel both of those things. And if we hit it right, then they'll come back. So as far as traditional methods go, we are really old school when it comes to barbecue. We use all wood. There's no gas or electricity assist back there, so it's all hardwood. We use post oak specifically. But we also try to use some of the new technology and some of the equipment that we have. The Electrolux Professional Braising Pan, it cuts down a lot of time for us when we can still keep that authenticity that we would want to in the product, like with our beans, our barbecue sauces. We do the mac and cheese sauce on that, but all of those things cuts the time down from what would normally be, I would say, 3.5 to 4 hours, sometimes even 5 hours, down so we can do them in way less than an hour. With the Pressure Braising Pan, I definitely trust that piece of equipment over something like our oven. And I think that just has to go back to why we even bought Electrolux Professional products, is just because I trust that brand. I don't have to worry about it going out at the end of the day. I don't have to worry about it getting fixed. It's going to do it the way that it needs to do. The TrinityPro food processor that we have and use, really amazing. If we're going to put a diced onion or something on the taco, like we have a feature today, our smoked carnitas tacos, do the onions and cilantro, we'll just do those in there. So we just rinse the onions, throw them in the food processor and chop them up. Again, when it comes down to the Electrolux Professional stuff is what we lay our head on at the end of the day, because we know that it's going to put out the stuff that we need and it's going to do it the way that it needs to do. Come down and visit us in southern Utah. Again, we're really close to Zion National Park. We're really close to Las Vegas. What we try and do is be a reflection of our community. And the one thing about people in southern Utah and St. George specifically is they care, right? So that's the kind of thing that you're going to get when you come here, is amazing barbecue, amazing people, and an ambiance that you're going to feel like your own. Smoke Show, it's a fun place to be, and we're trying to change the game here.